Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn on keyboard light on any Lenovo laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to turn on the keyboard light on a Lenovo laptop, you have to follow these steps. First, locate the FN key and the spacebar key on your keyboard. Then press FN plus spacebar at the same time. Once you do that, you will see that the keyboard backlight turns on. If you want to increase the brightness of the keyboard light, simply press FN plus spacebar again. On most Lenovo laptops, each press will cycle through the available brightness levels. If you want to turn the keyboard light off, keep pressing FN plus spacebar until the backlight is disabled. So, all you have to do is press FN plus spacebar to turn on the keyboard light, press it again to increase the brightness, and press it again to turn it off. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn on keyboard light on any Lenovo laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.